Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 21, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Fifth row and seventh row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D, second row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Second row, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, we have 4. 8th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade and 7th grade, we have pair numbers 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column F, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th row and 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Second row and third row, we have 3. Column F also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column C, column F, column H, column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column F and second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row, third row, we have pair numbers 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 9. 6th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Fourth row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Since fourth row, only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Second grade, only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column J, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 8th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th grade, only one number is remaining. 6 is confirmed here. First grade, only one number is remaining. 9 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column I, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column H, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column G, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 9th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column I, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column I, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column I, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 5th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in the cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Column G, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 5th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.